Karen Campbell's been in Boone County in Lebanon. It'll be interesting when we get to her next live hit because we've got precipitation that's beginning to expand over Boone County, and it's going to be coming in the form of freezing rain. Speaking of, now Indianapolis is going to be the cutoff zone from cold rain to you get into the northern burbs here. You get into Zionsville, you get in Fishers, Noblesville. A little bit more ice than what we'll have here in downtown, and certainly for Southsiders. Martinsville, Greenwood, Shelbyville, that's cold rain that's going to be falling. South of I-70, very minimal impacts. You're certainly going to have rain, you're going to have wet roads. And speaking of roads, we'll be watching these numbers very closely. Most locations, again, that remain near and above freezing. Now, bridges, overpasses, have a much higher chance of being impacted here as we go through the evening. But we've dashed this zone that includes Marion and Muncie, near Richmond, Hamilton, Boone, Delaware counties, Madison County there, near Kokomo, and back out toward Crawfordsville. This area right here is where we're expecting the ice to accumulate the most. You get a little closer to Lafayette and certainly the farther north, toward the Michiana border, that is going to be mostly snow and where we'll have the highest accumulation. This is all cold rain, though, as we told you last couple of days. Bloomington, Columbus, Seymour, North Vernon, Brookville, Franklin, cold rain for you. This is by 7 p.m. on Future Track 13. You can see even some of this may come down at a pretty good clip in terms of these snow rates. The precipitation coverage and intensity will start to diminish here right around and just after midnight. But temperatures overnight into tomorrow morning will be dropping below freezing, and so even if you had a cold rain, you could have some icy patches around tomorrow morning. So there's that maximum ice zone right in here where some locations could get up to a quarter inch. That could cause some sporadic power outages in here and certainly will impact traveling as we go through the evening and early tomorrow morning. So we're not in the ice storm warning zone here. We're more in this zone, all right, as we go through your evening. Now, tomorrow morning, delays and some cancellations are a possibility. There won't be a whole lot of precipitation going on tomorrow morning, maybe some flurries or some snow showers. We still think Valentine's Day, at least daylight hours, should be in pretty good shape. We'll have to wait and see if we're going to get a burst of snow to finish it Friday night, wet Saturday to start, and then snowy to finish as we go into Saturday night into Sunday morning. We'll have another radar check coming up at 4:30.